Right, I've had an order for a desktop, just the top. You know, I guess they're doing the legs. With the track on, I can't quite get the depth. So just took the track off and whizzed down again. I always err on the side of staying out. And then I can clean that up with a hand plane later. And I've just got this little lip here, look. So I'll just whiz that off. I want to take that off straight away, so it doesn't, I don't get breakout, tear out. I'm no expert with a hand plane. I'm still learning, really. Whoa, look at that grain. That is beautiful. Just because this live edge will be on show at the front, so I sort of feel like I've got to do my best to preserve that corner, really. I saw these saws on YouTube, on a channel on YouTube, and I tell you what, you know, if you haven't got one and you're doing cutting wood, get one. They're flipping brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Right, that's the 3 sides cut. I've cut it 10mm long and I've cut it a bit wide. So if we get any tear out when we flatten it with a router, we can, you know, we can sort that later. Bought myself a new bit for the router. Last one, I don't know how many board feet it did, but it did me a year or 2 maybe. These are, I mean, they are massive, really. Quite honestly, 50mm. I don't want this coming out. I would imagine that's going to have a bit of Fluco on it. She's heavy, powerful. So when you're doing slabs, you know, if you're actually going to flatten them, this is the, you know, this is supposed to be down to 40mm-ish. She won't mind if it's thicker. We'll probably take 10mm off this side. We'll come back to this side. I don't think we'll need to, but if we take, you know, then we can always come back to it. So you can see me oiling it at the end, because I mean, you wait till you see this grain pot. It's going to be something special. him up. So that's one side done, so I passed it up and down and then I passed it side to side. Basically your finished cut, you want to drop it down like a hair, like 1 mil, half a mil, 9/27 or I don't know what inches I'm afraid on it, gets very small. But basically you've got to drop it down so it's, you're hardly cutting anything and you get a lovely finish. Right, here we go, sanded, only to 80 grit, this is the bottom. But look at that, should come up a tree. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is a piece of Spalted Beech and I'm just sanded up to 400 grit. And now we're putting some oil on. It's a Poly-X oil, satin. And it just, oh man, it's the most satisfying bit of the whole process, obviously. And I just rub it in with a rag. I've given up the brushes, they just leave brush marks. And yeah, that's it really. Oh.